Okay, here it is, the video you've finally been waiting for, how to clean your seats. So this is a 2005 Honda Accord, and I bought it super cheap, but the interior was trashed, lots of stains. So what I first did was clean the carpet, and now I'm cleaning the seats. The first thing that I did that wasn't shown in this video is I sprayed these seats with some carpet and upholstery cleaner. It's just some stuff I got from Walmart. I think it's about $12 a bottle, and with that bottle you can make about, maybe 5 gallons worth of cleaning solution. So I just took my spray bottle and sprayed a bunch of it on the seat until they got pretty damp, and then I used my brush to scrub them and kind of get that dirt up and get it ready to be vacuumed. It actually looks pretty good after scrubbing. So after that, I took my rug doctor, and if you don't have a rug doctor, you can just use a vacuum or shop vac, and then I just vacuumed up all of the nasty gunk and the carpet cleaner and all that stuff. Overall, I think it turned out pretty nice. They look pretty much brand new, minus a few blemishes that I wasn't able to get out, but definitely a good way to do it.